Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Introduction of R sound. R is the 18th letter of the alphabet. It makes the R sound, just like in rabbit. When you say R, your tongue curls slightly back and you push the sound forward. Word recognition. Let's learn some words that begin with the letter R. R for rabbit, a cute animal that jumps high. R for rocket, a fast spaceship that goes to space. R for ring, a shiny jewelry piece for fingers. R for rat, a small, clever animal. Can you think of more words that start with R? Writing practice. Now, let's trace and write the letter R. Follow the dotted lines carefully and practice both uppercase R and lowercase r. Say R every time you write it. Activity: beginning sound recognition. Look at the pictures below and write the first letter. 1. Rose. Write R. 2. Rainbow. Write R. 3. Rope. Write R. 4. Rail. Write R. Great job! You're learning fast. More vocabulary. Here are some more words that begin with R. New words: rose, a beautiful, fragrant flower. Rainbow, a colorful arc in the sky after rain. Rope, a strong cord used to tie things. Rail, a track for trains. Rain, water that falls from the sky. Radio, a device for listening to music and news. Room, a space inside a house or building. River, a long flowing water body. Wow, you did an amazing job learning about the letter R. Keep practicing, and soon you'll know all the letters. Next time, we'll explore another exciting letter. See you soon. Bye-bye.